Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from BingX to Exness. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your BingX application. Once you have logged into your BingX account, after that you just need to simply tap on the more button at the middle of the screen, the asset management option, simply tap on the withdraw. After that, in the search bar you have to simply search USDT and select Tether. After that, select a payment method, means click on the on chain. Now here, once you landed on this page, here you will need to paste your USDT Exness depositing address, selection of network, and the amount of USDT you are transferring from BingX to Exness. Now in order to get the address, you just need to simply open your Exness global application. Once you have successfully logged into your Exness global account, after that click on the deposit button at the middle of your screen and click on crypto wallet. After that, scroll down and you will find USDT on two different networks. First one is ERC20 and the second one is TRC20. So I'm selecting here USDT on TRC20 and click on deposit. After that, click on the continue button and here you can see USDT wallet address along with the QR code. So simply copy this address and you will also see here a note which says we will only accept for this deposit USDT TRC20 on Tron network. So make sure you have selected Tron network on the BingX also. After that, open your BingX application again and paste your headers here, and after pasting, select a network Tron TRC20. After selecting network and address, enter the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Exness global application, and after that click on withdraw at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from BingX to Exness, and that's how you can transfer USDT from BingX to Exness. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.